The S-3A Viking aircraft was seen as a replacement for the S-2 Tracker, which was an old propeller-driven aircraft of a 1948 to a 1952 vintage, with several other derivatives that were built in the latter years. Several inherent advantages in the aircraft over the old S-2 is its increased range and its increased ability to process a tremendous amount of data that was previously unavailable to a carrier ASW aircrew.
Hello, people. Since we just talked about the A6 Intruder, I felt it appropriate that we discuss the Zylmex and Motormax S-3A Viking. So I thought that that was important because these two aircrafts seem to be married in the Zylmex world, Motormax world, or at least they were for a time. They were both introduced in the 1991 catalog. They've both sported the exact same deco their entire lives up to recently, or at least their entire Zylmex lives. But another thing that I felt was interesting is that this is the first time we see tinted windshields, is with the Prowler, or the Intruder rather, and the Viking here. And then of course the mold numbers are right next to each other, A156. So these were certainly designed and introduced at the same time, so it's natural that they would incorporate similar elements. Made in China, S-3A Viking. And again, that's all we see on the bottom of this aircraft. All right, so the second one we see, again, like the Intruder, it's the addition of blue accessories. Now, also with this variation, we see the China marking has been removed. And that's it. Those are the two changes. Now, with this aircraft and the Intruder with the blue accessories, I found both of these aircrafts together with one of the Motormax 30-inch aircraft carrier sets that we see here. This set has the original plastic windshields, and then with this later set, we see they all have the casted windshields that are all one with the body of the airplane. And that's what we see here. This is our third variation. Now the China marking has shown back up. S-3A Viking A156. See, I'm not sure what to make of the China marking appearing and disappearing, but this would be another really cool one to do a custom job on. There's a lot of space here, and like the E2 Hawkeye that I customized, this could be cut and folded like it's being stowed away on an aircraft carrier, which would be really cool to see in these little castings. Thanks for watching, people. Make it a great day.